All right, I am back for set two. I realized after the first one, it was better to turn my phone the longer way so I can capture more in it. So I'm going to start with set two. Here's the first question. Which number has 6 in the thousands place? So again, going back to place value, looking at the choices, you got to be careful. Some are decimals, some are commas. So at the first choice, A, I see a decimal, I see a 6 in the hundredths place and the ones place. So A is not the answer. In B, there is no decimal, so I'm going to start with the ones here. I see a 6 in the ones place and a 6 in the 10,000s place. So that one is also incorrect. In choice C, I see a couple sixes again, no decimal. I see a 6 in the ones place, and we go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this one has it. So the answer is going to be C. But let's just make sure for D, because sometimes they do want more than one answer. And then in choice D, there is a decimal. So we have a 6 in the ones place and a 6 in the hundreds place. So our correct answer is C. On the next one, it's asking what is the area of the parallelogram. In the previous question, it was a rectangle and we just multiplied the length times the width, the two numbers. In this one, they're giving us three numbers. We are still going to multiply the length and the width. We just need to ignore one of these. So what you can kind of do here is if you take this piece of the parallelogram, this triangle part, you can actually cut it off and move it to here. And now we have one rectangle. Ignore the 9. We now have a 10 meters times 6 meters. 10 times 6 is 60. And again, this is two-dimensional, so 60 meters squared. So that would be choice D. On the last one, we have another problem-solving question. Mrs. Sato bought 1,050 stickers for her class. 1,050. She bought 350 gold stars and 475 silver stars. Write this down here. The rest were animal stickers. How many animal stickers did she buy? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is figure out how many gold and silver stickers she's bought so far. So I'm going to add these two numbers together. 5 plus 0, 7 plus 5, carry the 1, 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 8. So far she's bought 825 gold and silver stickers. The question is asking how many were animals instead of the rest. So I'm going to take my 1,050 to start with. I'm going to subtract the 825 gold and silver. All right, now 0 minus 5 we cannot do. We need to borrow from the 5, so the 5 becomes a 4, and our 0 now becomes a 10. So now we can do 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. 0 minus 8 we can't do, but we can look at the whole thing, 10 minus 8. If you need to see it, we can borrow from the 1, and that 0 becomes a 10, so we still have 10 minus 8, which is 2. So 225 of the stickers were animals, and that would be choice B. All right, catch you in set C.